How to Stop Missing in Badminton 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong by neglecting footwork and timing. The surprising truth is that consistent hitting comes from technique, positioning and practice. Start by focusing on grip and racket control. Use a relaxed, proper grip for forehand and backhand shots. Incorrect grip is the most common reason for missed shots. You won't believe how small adjustments can improve accuracy instantly. Next, work on footwork. Position yourself correctly to reach the shuttle comfortably. Move proactively rather than reacting late, ensuring balance and readiness for each shot. Timing is critical. Hit the shuttle at the highest point of your reach for smashes and at mid-height for clears and drives. Combine this with smooth swing motion to reduce misses. Practice regularly with drills that simulate real match conditions. Include partner drills, multi-shuttle exercises, and game-like scenarios to improve reflexes and accuracy. In conclusion, stopping misses in badminton in 2025 is achievable through proper grip, footwork, timing, and dedicated practice. Follow these steps, and your consistency and performance will improve significantly.